Why did someone do that? That's a shame. I'll have to look into that. All right, let's look through binos backwards. Got some spotting on the lens. All right, well, those I'll have to do a bit of looking into. It's a shame that they did that. But whatever, it's what it is. All right, so I know what this is only because I just read the list. Belt and buckle. Okay, so I'll put my glasses on so I can see again. No, don't need the glasses. I'm just saying that. Well, it's SS marked there. I'm not gonna pass judgment on this until I do some research on these.